Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 5-tier stackable storage bins. Alright, so right here we have our stackable storage bins. This one here is black and white, so you can get them in different sizes. You don't have to do 5, or you can go 1, 2, 3 up to 5. So first off, right here you can see that they are easy to open up and stack together. These are foldable. They do come with wheels on the very bottom so you can roll it around, and it does have the handles for the drawers themselves so you can open them and close them. So this is the back side of the drawer. The other side is the front side. They're really nice and sturdy. It is being used actually to hold some towels and washcloths. So we got the first one in here first. And you can see it automatically magnetizes to the plastic. It has magnetized at the top so it stays, and then when you want to stack them, just put them on top. They have these little handles on each side. You just take them, fold them up, make sure they click. So once they click, you know they're in place, and then we're just going to keep stacking all the way up because this is a 5-tier. So at the bottom, they have the options to put in the wheel so you can roll it around. I'm actually going to do that. You don't have to put the wheels on so it stays in place. So now we got the top one. This is what it looks like from the top. It is really nice looking. It does hold a lot. So I am actually using this for washcloths and towels because we got a lot of towels. And it is pretty size. I'm about 5'2" and it's roughly around my height. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it down and add the wheels to it. So there are 4 wheels that come with it. There's the 4 wheels. They are also locking wheels, so you can lock them in place. You just put them at the bottom. So I'm just going to set this down. So you can see there's 4 little holes right here, 2 on each side to put the wheels on, and they do lock in place so it doesn't move around. So it is just easy. All you got to do is unlock this, push them in, and then I'll come back as soon as I have it all up and running. And now it's ready. I have had it all fixed and together. So the wheels are on. The whole thing is stacked up and it's connected. It looks really nice. So you can see I have all the drawers with towels and washcloths. You can use blankets. You can use clothing if you'd like. I actually use this for my bathroom. So you can see that it does have a magnet right here. This is just a screw. On the other side is a magnet. So if you're looking for a nice storage bin, I would highly recommend checking this one out. It is very sturdy. It does give you wheels on it so you can move it around. You can also lock the wheels so it stays in place. I like the fact that the magnets are pretty strong and they do hold them closed. So I would say definitely check this one out. This one is definitely a must if you're looking for any storage bins for your clothes, bathroom accessories, or whatever you need it for.